in what could be said as another focal point or another spark between the Aam Aadmi Party government in the national capital and the BJP government in the centre. Now, the Delhi government has moved the Supreme Court with regards to the May 19 ordinance of the central government, wherein it had diluted the powers of the Delhi government and it set up a NCSSA, that is the National Capital Services Authority in the National Capital Territory, which would be deciding with regards to the transfers and postings of officers posted in the Delhi government in the National Capital Territory of Delhi, except for those that are given out in the union's list, which includes land, police and in fact the law and order. Now, what is very, very clear at this point of time is that the Delhi government in this petition has stated that this ordinance that has been brought by the central government on May 19 is violative of the basic structure of the Constitution of India. It is also violative of Article 123 of the Constitution of India and is a clear and sheer misuse of power by the central government of the ordinance making that has been vested to it under Article 123 of the Constitution. Now, what has also been alleged by the Delhi government in its petition filed through Advocate Shahzan Farasat has been stated that this is a way to destroy the democratically elected government in the National Capital Territory and is a hit to the federal structure of the Delhi government that has been given out under Article 239 AA of the Constitution of India. Now, the matter, when it reached the Supreme Court of India, is to be seen as to whether the Supreme Court would be entertaining this particular challenge or would be turning this as a petition to be dismissed, or whether the order would again be under the favours of the Delhi government like it was in the previous judgment of the Constitution bench, and post which this ordinance had been brought in. Now, when the matter reaches the Supreme Court, the matter is likely to be mentioned on Monday before as the Supreme Court resumes from its summer vacations, and we might see that the Supreme Court would again be constituting a constitution bench for this particular matter. But whether that happens or not is a matter of time. Whether the matter would be heard only by a 3-judges bench is also, we'll have to wait and watch for that. But at this point of time, politics has come again on this particular issue, while the Aam Aadmi Party government had been asking various political parties to lend in support with regards to calling this ordinance a draconian one. Now, the BJP has said that it is a very, very clear and a very cut ordinance that has been brought in by the central government, and the Supreme Court judgment had also said that the judgment would only prevail until and unless a law is brought in from the parliament itself. And this ordinance also has to pass the test of the parliament, has to pass the test of majority when the parliament session resumes on July 17th. So we'll have to wait when the matter is before the Supreme Court, and also when it reaches the parliament, when this ordinance is brought in by the central government and a majority vote is sought. Because remember, an ordinance can only be valid up to 6 months unless and until there is a parliament session there and a majority of both the houses passes it. So we'll have to wait for all the developments to happen. But at this point of time, this has sparked the debate between the Delhi and the centre again. I am Anil Bhatnagar with video journalist Rahul Malhotra for CNN News 18 from the National Capital Territory of Delhi.